Hello my lovelies, it is Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a package from Kokorosa Studios. I am so excited to show you. I'm going to dive right in, and this is all about the holidays. If you celebrate Christmas or just like anything Christmassy, this little haul will hopefully get you motivated to do some creating. So I have 2 paper packs, 2 stamp packs, and a stencil. And I will show you everything, including the pricing. And before I even show you just one thing, I want to let you know I have the most fabulous discount code, LISA25. Will get you 25% off. So I'll leave all the links to these products and to the website in the description box below. All right, let's get started with the paper packs. I have 2 packs to show you. They both cost $9.99. And this one here is called Merry Christmas. It is 24 sheets of paper, 12 designs, and you're going to get 2 of each design, and they're so nice. This is the 6x6 paper pad, and let me show you these pretty designs. It's white on the back and really vivid colors, nice thickness to the paper. It is 160 gram cardstock, and you can do so many pretty things with this. You can use it as background papers. You can fussy cut some of the things out, like these beautiful flowers. And here are these sweet birds. I just adore birds. And we have some poinsettias. So I will be showing you in future video coming up, hopefully in the next couple of days or as early as next week, things that I created with this paper pack, actually with this whole haul from Kokorosa Studio. So that is the first paper pack, and like I said, it is 12 designs, 2 each design, for a total of 24 sheets of papel. In Spanish, I'll take some Spanish lessons on my own. So here is the second one. This is called Realistic Christmas Background Paper. And, you know, definitely use the covers of these because they're nice and thick. And here is the first design of 2. You got, I guess that's supposed to be Father Christmas. You got some beautiful trees. This is very vintagey. So I am looking forward to definitely make some cute things. I like to decorate just like an art process journal I have. But of course you can use this in scrapbooking, card making, anything you choose. You can decorate your planner. You can even make little envelopes out of these. I think I'm going to try to find an envelope pattern and make some envelopes, because then you can put little gift cards in them. So again, there is a wide variety of papers, and I am loving the print, because regardless if you celebrate Christmas or not, this paper is very handy. Very handy. Okay, let's get to the stencil. I picked this stencil because I just love the tree. This stencil is just called Christmas Stencil, and it is $2.39, and it's quite big. Look at that. Let me put that on a background for you. And you can capture the little moons and stars. You can use the words Merry Christmas at the bottom if you wanted to. It's totally optional. So that is a really beautiful stencil that you can use in a variety of ways. Okay, and $2.39 I thought was a dynamite price. Then I have 2 stamp sets to show you. And their stamps are really good quality. I mean, they're obviously rubber, like silicone rubber. And I like that it comes in between these two plastic sheets. And I use these sheets to stick them back on. Here, let's get you situated here to see this up close. Isn't that beautiful? This is called Christmas Animals, but it also has the hearts. It has the sentiments in there too. And it's just really a beautiful set. You don't have to use it for Christmas. You can use it for a variety of stamping. So I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with this. And they're just gorgeous. And you get a lot. Look at all you get. So this cost $5.99. And then the last set is also $5.99. This is called Christmas Trees and Bottles. And I really was attracted to the bottles. And you'll see why. Again, it's in between two pieces of plastic. And it's just gorgeous. This is going to stamp up so pretty. And it has sentiments, peace and joy. Have yourself and you can put Merry Christmas. Wishing you a very happy Christmas from our house to yours with all the joys of the season. And I really love this one too. It's very scribbly. I don't know what the word for scribbly is in these stamps, but I like the scribbly, wild looking feel to it. So that is the haul. Let me just show you everything once again. Got the two stamp sets, the stencil, and I combined them here, but two paper packs. So this is Kokorosa Studio. I will leave the link down below in the description box. LISA25 will get you 25% off your order. That is a really good deal. And this came really fast. So when I placed it, I had it in under a week. So I thought that was really dynamite. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful in any way, or if you have questions for me, let me know in the description box. Give me a thumbs up. It would be so appreciated because it really helps put my channel out there with the analytics on YouTube. And of course, if you want to subscribe, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care all. Bye.